Ooh. Man, who remembers doing that as a kid? Look at that ZL1 jumping over the garage door sensor so you don't have to walk around. Yeah, we're taking the gunner today. How are you doing? Just came back from Charlotte, had a good lunch. Got some photos of the ZL1 looking nasty. Ooh. But you already know we're here for this big girl today. The tank, Big Bertha, whatever you want to call her, OG. You already know. Uncle Squid, we got the Squid tricks. Throw the phone in the socks. Almost a daily 100 right off the back straight away. What is up, YouTube? Uncle Squid, Killicam, back on the Victory Gunner, aka the tank. And this has to be one of the most safest vehicles that I own, because that ZL1 is sketch and that BMW S1000 is sketchy. Woo! We got ourselves a picture perfect Squid day. Ain't nothing wrong with a good gunner send. This has to be the safest vehicle that I own, besides the daily. Oh, that's some spicy right there. Daily 100 for the boys. A casual 100. You gotta love the casual 100s on your days off, you know? I took the ZL1 to work the other day, and just a nice little casual 100 on a back road. If you're not hurting nobody, casual 100. But when you get a day like this, you got a Squid. Skies out, thighs out, baby. We let the chicken legs out of the chicken coop. If you guys have never seen one of my motovlogs, welcome to the most unedited motovlog you'll ever see. We don't need any fancy edits, no spicy tricks, no notification bell with little subscribe buttons. No. We don't need none of that. We just need a classic 106 cubic inch gunner, one-handing into a corner. But this channel, this is probably the lowest budget, top gear motovlogs you'll ever see. Man, this 106 will continue to eat until I'm 80 years old. And this thing will still be in the garage. I still get people asking me, do you recommend a Victory gunner? Like I don't even know what to say anymore. I'm about to just not respond. I tell you guys I respond to everything, but if you ask me if I like this bike, I'm gonna leave you on red. She's spicy, man. Aerodynamics. This bike still continues to put a smile on my face even after all the years that I've had this thing. It's a good mood bike. You don't have to worry about too much. It's gonna crank. It's gonna treat you right. It's gonna piss off everybody that hears it. They're like, what type of Harley is that? Is that a Street Glide? I just love explaining this bike. I'm just like, yeah, it's a Victory gunner. It was made by Polaris. They now make Indians. They don't sell them anymore. And they're like, oh, it must have sucked then, right? Be like, yep, sell them all to me. If you don't like yours, you know where to find me. If you're ever trying to sell your Victory and it's in decent shape, half decent shape, I'm probably going to be a Victory hoarder in the next couple years. I don't think there's ever a video where I go the speed limit. And yeah, we're going to switch it up a little bit. We're going to go the speed limit and see what it's like. This is what people think cruisers do. Oh wow, let me crack my visor. Oh wow, this is beautiful. When people say motorcycles are dangerous, I'm gonna reference this right here. Let's go 45, the speed limit. Actually, we're gonna go less than 45. Wow, this is very dangerous. If you go on the back roads and you behave, there's no reason that you can't enjoy this. You could go Squid, let the tattoo shine, you'll be okay. But when you're on those back roads on the BMW S1000 and you're going 120 on these hidden driveways, yeah, now that could be a little bit more dangerous than what we just did. But I just get so tired of the first thing you say is, oh, I ride motorcycles. Oh yeah, well, I knew this one guy and his leg snapped in half after he hit 5 different trees. And yeah, now he has to ride a trike now. And it's like, man, just let people ride if you want to ride. Man, if you want to ride, get out there. You're always going to have naysayers. People are going to chirp at you regardless, so you might as well be having fun while they're chirping, you know? And then we get a little spicier. I've never been a big fan of speed suggestions. Well, this is why you should get a motorcycle. People are always going to say they're dangerous. People are always going to give you the worst story they've ever heard. But the fact that you can just, for no little to no money, for 3 gallons of premium gas, start it up, go get your license, and just relax on your days off. I've needed this, man. I've been getting so worked up. Man, this is the nicest form. This is my favorite form of relaxing right here. Whether it's on this, the BMW. Riding a motorcycle, I would say beats driving a car. And I love driving cars, so. But this is just so relaxing. Listening to the exhaust, the wind, the sun, the squid life. There's just something about it where it's just so peaceful. I've been just grinding my tail off lately. I always want to say thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Every single view I do not take for granted. Every like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate every single one of you. At KillCamR6 on Instagram if you want to send me a message, or Facebook, I'm on that too. But thank you guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Y'all take it easy. KillCam out.